Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where I bring you the latest crypto airdrop updates. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Let's dive in. As many of you know, Solana has had multiple airdrops since its early days, and now there's a new large-scale campaign designed to attract fresh users while rewarding early supporters. If you hold SOL, you may be eligible to receive SOL tokens. Just follow the steps on the website linked in the description and make sure you've got enough funds to cover network fees. Always double-check URLs to avoid fake sites. For anyone new to Solana, it's a high-performance blockchain built for fast, low-cost, and scalable decentralized apps, covering dApps, DeFi, and NFTs. It leverages a combination of proof of history and proof of stake to achieve high throughput and efficiency. That's all for today. Don't let this opportunity pass you by and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Happy hunting!